Good evening everyone. Today is our first video of our Python series. So in this first Python video, today we are going to start with the basics. So ever wondered how people build apps, analyze massive amounts of data, or automate boring tasks? A huge part of it that answer is Python. It is the world's most popular programming language. Not because it's hard, but because it's almost like English. Today we are going to write our first program. Let's dive in. So, what is Python basically? Think of Python as a bridge. On one side, you have your human ideas like I want to calculate this budget or I want to move this character in a game. On the other side, you have the computer which only understands electricity and numbers. Python is the language that translates your ideas into instructions the computer can actually follow. It's clean, it's powerful, and today you're going to be a programmer. So, the first command we are going to learn is the print. Yes, this print. Now, if I type print hello Python like this, you can write anything like I will write hello Python, hello world, and now when we press enter, it will directly print the word hello world. Now, you have just taken the first step. You have learned that Python is a translator and that the print command is your megaphone to the computer. In the next video, we'll talk about how to make the computer remember things. I have dropped down notes in the description below. If you have any questions about this first step, drop them in the comments below and I will see you in the next video.